For the sides, we have drawn for the hand drawing here. So you always need to place the artwork based exactly where the flowers are. And the center front always starts here. And as the sizes grow, it's just gonna grow a little bit more. But you always have enough space between each size and size. This is size 44. So for the smaller sizes, you will have a bigger gap here because size 36 would end here, size 38 would end here, and etc. This is 44 and 46 would end a little bit higher. So for the sides, how to place them correctly, I want you to pay attention. You have kind of an imaginary line. You see between the flowers, if you notice that these flowers are in a straight line and these flowers are in a straight line. So this would be your line where you need to cut in between so that you don't cut the flowers. In case it's coming on the area where you actually have the flower, so you need to remove the flower. We don't want you to cut the flower, so you need to remove. You need to unmount the stitches in here, the stitch, and fold the flower, cut the fabric, and then we will put it back if it's needed. So what we are trying to avoid, we're trying to avoid mistakes like this. When you stitch the flower inside the seam allowance, we don't want to have that. Or when you have two flowers coming at the same location, like the same flower was here, but we had to unmount it, otherwise it will be very crowded and overlapping each other. So this is a sample piece that we're going to be sending to you, and this is actual dress. So if you notice, there was a mistake like this on the dress, so we don't want to have this kind of mistakes done on the dress, on the actual production. So you will need to unmount. Like here, there was a piece that we actually removed. If you notice, there are a little bit of thread, but it needs to be removed very carefully, because if there is holes, like you can see here, it was not removed carefully, so there is a little bit of a holes, so it's damaging the fabric. Yeah, so like you can see, it's been removed all over here. And also the big flower were removed as well. See, there was a big flower here, so you need also to remove it, and the same thing all over till here also need to be removed. Same story will be on the center back. If you have flowers overlapping, then you need to remove them.